In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight and change the color for specific words in PowerPoint slides quickly and easily. This is a really useful skill if you want to make important words stand out, emphasize key points, or make your presentation look more polished and professional. Whether you're editing a class presentation, a business deck, or any kind of slide, these simple tools can help you draw attention exactly where you want it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the text you want to edit. To change the color of a specific word, click into the text box and then highlight only the word you want to modify. It's important to select just that one word if you want to change only that part, and leave the rest of the sentence unchanged. Once the word is selected, go up to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the font section, look for the font color button. This is usually shown as an A icon with a colored line underneath it. Click that button and you'll see a list of available colors. Choose the color you want and the selected word will immediately change to that font color. This is the most common method and is perfect when you want a word to stand out with a stronger visual emphasis. Now let's look at the second method, which is highlighting text like a marker. This is different from changing the font color because it adds a colored background behind the word instead of changing the letters themselves. To do this, again select the specific word you want to highlight. Then go back to the Home tab and find the Text Highlight Color tool. Click the arrow if needed to open the color options, then choose the highlights color you want. As soon as you click the color, PowerPoint will apply the highlight behind the selected word. This method is especially helpful if you want to make important terms, keywords, or action items easy to spot. It works really well in training slides, lesson slides, and presentations where you want viewers to quickly focus on a specific phrase. You can also combine both methods for even more emphasis, but in most cases, using one or the other is enough to make your point clear. If you ever want to change more words, just repeat the same process. Select the word, go to Home, and either change the font color or apply a highlight color depending on the effect you want. It only takes a few seconds once you get used to it, and it can make a big difference in how your slides look. So now you know how to highlight and change color for specific words in PowerPoint slides using two simple methods. The first is changing the text color with the font color tool, and the second is applying a marker style highlight with text highlight color. These are easy ways to improve readability, emphasize key points, and make your presentation more visually effective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tutorials, productivity tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.